Here's how to add external links in Obsidian. So first you gotta open Obsidian and open the node where you want to add external link. And then for text links, you can use the markdown, which is brackets, open two brackets, and then type the text you want, like testing, and then open two parentheses after the brackets, and then enter the link inside HTTPS. For example, I want to add the Google link here, google.com, and that's it. Now testing takes you to a link. For text links, you can also add links to files or local resources, which is very similar. Open brackets, type the name or any text you would like to display, and then open parentheses. And then instead of a link, you can actually paste a path to a file, maybe like users test my file dot text, something like that. This will open a file, and then this will open the browser when you click on it. You can also drag and drop files, and it will automatically create a link for you like this. It's marked down as a button for files. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.